I'm Cynthia Cox with Cox & Associates, CPAs LLC, and this is the Nonprofit Minute. As part of our ongoing series about fraud tips, I want to recommend some tools that I've learned from my local banker. First of all, always get to know your banker. They have great tools and suggestions for helping you deal with fraud and helping you utilize all their products in the bank. Tip number 1, positive pay. Positive pay is when you send your bank a list of the checks you've written and they only pay checks on that list. So the upside of that is if someone got into your check stock and they had an unauthorized check, the bank wouldn't pay it. The downside of that is when you do a quick check run, maybe it's one check, maybe it's two checks, maybe it's a manual check, and the bank will not pay because it's not on your list because, whoops, you forgot to send a list to the bank. Great tool. I highly recommend it. Tip number 2, ACH approval. ACHs are when a vendor comes in, withdraws money from your bank account based on your approval to pay the bill. These are great, they're electronic, but sometimes they keep me up at night because I worry about how to prevent that ACH. This is another thing that your bank will be glad to work with you. You can limit who can do an ACH. You can say that you will not have any ACH withdrawals on your account. So get with your banker, find out the particulars on what your bank does to prevent ACH fraud, and put those controls on your account. We live in a world that's very electronic. People want convenience, they want what's easy. Fraud is easy, so make sure you protect yourself. I'm Cynthia Cox with Cox & Associates, CPAs LLC, and we look forward to serving you.